morning, everyone. I'm exercising with my sister. We're playing badminton. So yeah, it's not sweat, it's water because it's really, really hot outside, and you know, I gotta stay hydrated and stuff like that. So yeah, we're in the yard, we're playing badminton, and yeah, so like watch us play. Just kidding, no, but seriously, that's what you're going to have to do because that's what I'm doing right now. Doesn't count. Shut up! Just warming up. Just warming up.
Warming up, people remember?
Oh God. Viewers, she cannot play, but she graduated. Yesterday she couldn't serve. Today she can bat. Warming up. Oh God, okay. Oh God. Woo! Oh. Oh. Oh.
That's a wrap.
I'm done for the day.
So that was a really good exercise. Look, my sweats, like my actually sweats, people.
You're so dumb.
Yeah. So hopefully I lose the 20 pound in 2 weeks.
In 2 weeks?
Cause I want my clothes to fit me. You understand?
Which clothes?
Okay.
Which clothes? The cream blouse?
Yes. Plus
Everything else fit though?
the pants, it goes up, but it almost bursts.
Which pants? The grey one?
Yes.
Oh God. Poor thing.
And me not sell nobody it. Me not give nobody it. So it have to fit me. You understand? Yes.
I said let me get the money, yes?
Nope.
Anyhow, peeps, I'm gonna go get ready now and show out in my town because I still have my nail to go and fix. You understand? And all these things.
Me see one nail glue in the house now.
Yeah, me see it too.
So
I still want my nail to fix.
So why not try the nail glue?
I still want my nail to fix. Mommy just called.
Okay, so I washed my hair this morning and
Who cares?
out, so my hair look much better than the previous videos, you understand?
Hi.
Yeah, so that's just about it for the day. And we're going to go to town now. Yeah. Bye guys, love you all. I'm gonna have so much fans. Oh my god, bye. Oh, you stopped this thing.
Press the big button. Which one? My nail, and then I just broke, smudged it again, so. Poor me.
Okay. Okay.
Can't really see it properly. I don't know.
Right.
What the hell wrong with this camera? But I fixed it.
I'm tired, my uncle.
What's your name?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No. Delroy Brown.
No. You guys have met my father. He's very handsome. What was the name that your mom gave you?
Delroy Brown.
You're not a brown. You're not cute enough to be a brown.
I'm not a Jehovah's Witness either. Right?
Well, I'm not a Jehovah's Witness either.
It might be somebody.
Don't listen
I
to
I should go there first. Maybe I should go there first.
Go where?
Go to the thing there. Go to the parents' bill because I have to pay this bill.
That's what I said. Why didn't you go there
Yeah,
first?
I'll go there first.
It's crazy. Nice to see my cousin Marlon.
Not my boyfriend Marlon, but my cousin. Mash up himself with the
Madman that man.
Mix it and lick him in my forehead.
Madman
Eh?
that man. Madman that man.
Lord Jesus. Like our family is not going through enough already.
Jubilation. Hello, hello. Yes,
We're gonna pay a bill. Hopefully get something to eat. If not, I'm gonna go see my auntie Melvin.
Listen, I'm not there, but guess what I'm gonna? I told Brenda to connect the cable back for the time being. So when I get a chance to, we'll sit down and trust with Brenda. Because Brenda said last time she took out $5,000 something out of the account. Remember? Brenda said last time she took out $5,000 off the account already. I think she said.
Them people are talk loud like nobody else on the night care and all these things. They don't have no manners and all these things. You understand? So we come we're here. Hey boo. Hi. Kidum. I was gonna actually but there my uncle place, you understand? I guess this is what money looks like in yard. She calling me? Anyhow, we linked up with the rest of the family, so we're gonna push out now and go back in town. And yeah,
Where are you now?
everybody's hungry, so gotta get something to eat. And yeah. So we're finally back in town, and we're gonna go get something to eat. Finally, everybody compromised on what they want, yeah?
Hey, you too.
That's Anaya's parents, and they still, again, don't have the damn baby. I don't know why they bother.
I'm surprised Marlon went with them.
Why not?
Oh no, because they're old?
I don't know why they bothered coming here without the child. Like, they don't matter anymore. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. Oh no! Oh, we could have made it. We could have made it.
After the car.
We don't drive a big carry out.
You go?
No, you crazy? Okay. Well, yes, you can. These kids want to die. Like. See ya? And then pussy you have to watch out for. Take over Jamaica now. I just one yardie there. I thought this was daddy for a second. He said no, sir. So hungry. Me I go back a brown man to get my fried chicken and chips. Oh God! Shut up, I don't fucking care. I don't care. She with her hungry belly self always introduce me to certain food. You understand? That's all she can ever introduce me to. But yo, brown man chicken and chips, yo, it turn up till it walk. And some pork me did one today, you know? From Sakura. And some shrimp. Some pork and me don't know, I want red sauce pork. Them have our chicken, I don't know what it is. And then the shrimp and the fried rice and then the mixed vegetable. Oh God! Tomorrow that knock miss me. Trust me.
Hello.
You hearing me? So yeah, we're just walking
Brown man.
to Brown Man and then we're gonna come back out and dump up. I don't know why my auntie want to go to the beach. Yeah. No. She didn't introduce me to nothing because I was a brown before she was. You see me? She did not introduce me to the brown man because the brown man is my father and me know him first for 5 years before she come along and then the next and 13 years before my brother come along. Yeah, so that's the motive for right now. I guess when we reach, I will show off my food again like I've been doing for this whole time. We'll show off my food and show you what I eat. I'm getting so blacker. I'm so excited.
When did you come down?
Thursday. That's Sham Wow. That's the intro and the outro.
Intro and the outro.
Violet Sinclair, burial, vacation, turn up till it overflow, till it pass book. You understand? Hi. Shamica, how it stay? Up, down. You think, oh God. Fatty.
Always up.
Lashaun, how the Ital food taste?
Great.
Yeah. Lord man, you's a girl with love for your ketchup. You know me already on me stay. My chicken and chips always up. You understand? Always.
You put
Always.
vinegar?
No. Here again, we did it again. But we have a special guest from straight from foreign. Should we go big up and say?
Jamaica.
Yo, we're in Jamaica. I know I say it in every vlog, right? But we're here. Sorry, and
We're
you're
really
not.
here. We're really
and
here.
you're not. We are here.
Jelly.
But you are not. I would be jealous too because when I go home on the 5th, I'm gonna cry. You understand? And I'm gonna, when I watch these videos back, I'm gonna be sad just like you guys. Because you're not here now. But anyways, yeah, usual thing, you understand? Yeah, with my bread and them and I got drink and all the meds and go yard, go sleep till tomorrow. Then we do road again. And then we go out tonight. And then we go home, go sleep. And then we do road again and again and again and again and again and again until we ticket them expire and then it's time for go up. You understand? Hi, Kayanna. Hi. You're so dumb.
You have to tell people when you're gonna put the camera on them so they can get ready.
She just put it on without know what.
What if you're not even paying attention?
So?
And then, at least say,
Okay,
say
no.
cheese.
I'm gonna have the camera on all the time.
Okay.
So just know that every day I'm going to have the camera on.
No. Just say
No,
it.
every day I'm gonna have the camera
No,
on.
I know
So
that.
just understand that. Like I'm gonna have the camera every day. When I turn it on, I turn it on, but I'm gonna have it with me every day.
Okay. Maybe start talking
Because I
loud.
can't like know when something is going to happen. Like when I know something is going to happen that I want to record, like I'm just gonna turn it on.
No, for sure. Do that. Not do that. But I'm just saying, when you're pointing it at
Once
something.
again, and take 5. So, hi, we're in Dead End again, and yeah, we're here. Shamica, I'm gonna point it at you.
Hey. See, that's so much better.
Okay, yeah, all right. Kayanna, I'm gonna point it at you.
You don't really have to say that. Just say Kayanna. Just say Shamica. And then get my attention. You ready? That's it. That's it. Don't just point it. What if you're picking your nose and then you fucking record?
Obviously, I'm not gonna do it at you when you're picking your nose, but I mean, that's okay. You do it for the vlogs.
Now. No thanks. I need to sit up straight. You're not sitting up straight? Mine's fine. You look like you're losing weight. But I'm not. Fat as fuck.
Outfit of the night. Yeah, with my high-waisted skirt with my bag from Sirens. I want shirt, one blouse with a bag from Sirens. My brother, I don't know when they get them from, but I'm not sure what
It's a part of the
slippers, the bag from Ardennes. Yeah, I'm very cheap, but I make myself look cute. Well, yeah, I make my clothes look cute. Yeah, the clothes make me look cute.
Hola, man.
Yo, you notice in every single clip, you understand? You understand? Like, that's my word this trip. Like, you understand? Remember when it was like, are you dumb? Are you dumb?
Are you dumb?
Are you dumb?
Bye.
What's your speech, Yama? In your house, you yeah, man. Yo, we turned up, be sure, yeah, man. Ask all of your friends, yeah, man. They want that then, yeah, man. Never snitch, never be a snitch. Never snitch, never be a snitch.
Yeah, the soldiers are here, right there. It's like, you see where I'm looking? See where I'm looking?
Never snitch.
Yo, that's so funny.
It's kind of weird.
Never be a snitch.
Very.
Never snitch.
No, we all look good.
And if you poor now, fuck there, yo.
Some more to go. It's not the end.
You know, Mr. Palmer, I'm sorry, but the company, we have to let you go. You know, we can't keep you around no more. You know, I'm sorry about this.
Yeah, something happened.
Can they kill us? Can they kill us? Can they kill us?
Yeah, it's straight to be about 9 kilos this Sunday. No, stop that shit,
No owner left me now. God know me must get better. No owner left me now. God know me must get better. You want left me for your money, man. I love this song. Better.
Get better and get butter. You must get butter.
No, me must get butter. No, don't do it. Don't read me song. Please, I beg.
Sorry.
After me tell us a little bit. Yeah, my other to the house.
What's the song called?
Oh God, I'll sing it after.
I'm gonna have
He's not gonna know what it's called, but I know what it is. I know what it is.
20 songs.
Yeah, no, it's not 20 songs. Yo. But me know something that in your phone more wild. Bathroom Chronicles Part 2. I don't know why my sister requested that we record, and we're in the same bathroom that we were in the other night. It was so nasty. Can I showed your ass? Yeah, it's so nasty in here. Oh my God, so gross.
Did you notice you?
Yeah, it's behind you. Okay. I'm not laughing actually. The other bathroom is actually clear this time.
I thought there was a glass in here. But
No, there was never a glass in here. That's why I was like, this bathroom is so fucking weird. What's behind here?
Bush, I guess.
Oh, hurry. You hurry up and fucking wash your hands, man. We didn't even lock the fucking door.
I'm having fun though.
Are you?
Yes.
This time? I don't know what that guy was.
What do you like?
Is actually talking to her. What did he say to you? But it's so funny. I'm like, I'm going to the bathroom. You want to come? He's like, yes. I want this power father. We made it out of. Oh fuck! Knock your shit. Yeah, we made it out alive. So. Why do I always feel drunk when I'm walking out of the bathroom?
Be
Like, walk us so. Always like when I'm walking out the bathroom, I always feel like so drunk for some reason. Hi guys, how are you guys feeling? Are you guys okay? Yeah, you guys are good on your excursion out in Montego Bay at ZN Beach, aka Buccaneer Beach. Alright?
Buccaneer?
Yeah, that's what they call it. That's what they call it.
The hell's a Buccaneer?
That's what they call the beach. Huh? They don't know say they call it Buccaneer Beach. What thing? All me know more about Jamaica than she. Me I go work for me dual citizenship, you know. Trust me, I'm going to be a citizen of Jamaica, believe you. By the end of 2015, I must start my citizenship application. Yo, me and this poor tapia on my breath here. Oh God. What? I understand. Yeah, they didn't. What everybody on YouTube. What wait upon. They didn't. What happy 420, you see me? Hey. The song gonna talk about the airport. Please, I beg, don't do it. Hey, y'all.
Oh, that's me.
Yes.
What's good? Hey, YouTube. What's good? Jamaica.
We're in Jamaica. Where you at? You in the cold, right? -5 degrees.
No, it's not so cold.
Isn't it 20
Yeah,
degrees?
I'm trying to rub it in their face.
No, but the other day was so nice. Like everybody was at Woodbine Beach.
Very good.
I was jelly.
So he's not a teenager yet. I don't know. We want to get rich though.
Yeah, he said it's soon. We're all gonna be rich, but we just gotta do the work. We'll put our shit in.
Yo, love. Hold on, there's a rotation. It goes to her, and then it comes to you.
Yo, if you see my view.
Yeah. If it was light, you would.
No, they can see it.
We're at the fucking beach at night, bro. Can you do that where you are? No, unless you live in like Montego or like close by to Woodbine Beach or something, you can go to the bluffs. But other than that, you can't be doing this shit. Running through the 6 with your woes. Hoes. Just kidding.
No, I was just talking to her.
Okay, so we're here. Who's hired?
I was talking to her, yeah.
No, hi, hi, Keniel.
I'm high.
Alright, maybe she's high, you know. I was talking to her. Yeah, you still in Canada? Hi. Hello. We're not on the phone, but hello. Fun time, you know? Yeah, I'm going live to this.
So I guess we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. When we're both, we